Hi, how to hot folder monitor and print directly to your printer. This is with IP address, so there's no printer driver involved. To do this, a printer needs to support the type of file that you're sending. So in this case, I have a printer here outside of me what supports PDF language. Most Office printers support PostScript, PCL, and then some others like XPS and PDF. And so if you're printing to a Zebra printer, you could use a ZPL format as well, and it will understand that. So any line format to a line printer would probably work as well. So to set up, I go into Options menu, Directory Monitor Setup, Activate Monitoring, and I monitor this folder here every 5 seconds. So I already have the path in there ready. So in this case, I'm just going to print .pdf. And the printer, to do it by IP address directly with no printer driver installed at all, type in IP colon and then your IP address. Now you can put the port number on the end if you put colon and then port number, for example 999, but most printers have a default port and it uses this default port in the setup without specifying that. So if you don't know where it is, just put the IP address like this. So that's all set up. There's nothing else to set. Click Add to Monitor List. Save and exit. So you can see it's monitoring here. It's going to monitor this folder here. And it's going to pick up this one file there. So you can hear the printer warming up. It's now printing. So you can do this in multiple files in the folder. The only thing is printers only have a certain amount of memory. So to stop overwhelming it, you can do is go into Directory Monitor Setup, Advanced Settings. In here, you can just threshold to actually process one print at a time. So even if I have 2 or more files in here, it will only process one at a time, then wait 5 seconds and then print the next file. So for example, I'm going to clear this log quick. So it's going to scan this folder again. It's picked up one file, sent it to the printer already. And then it's picked up the next file and sent it to the printer. And it's that quick and easy to use. Give it a try.